So, as usual, some XML tag. Is there some capability name when it's been created? Display name, so ID unique ID. When it's been modified. Some values are there, okay, capability name is there, and after that some right references are there. So inside, we have these many references. Using this reference only you will be able to control that functionality. So which mean if I'm going to assign this SP right, he can access to see the page view role. He will be able to view roles. If I'm going to assign this SP right, he can access the manage role, managed entitlement roles, full access to forms. So something like, he has some SP admin inside this capability, so you can customize to the capability using this SP right based on the requirement. So let's say, as I said, customer is saying, client is saying so, you or have to create one custom capability, including for certification and policy. So in that scenario, what I'll do, randomly I'll pick this, certification administrator and policy administrator. Let me quickly cover so what I'll do. I'll capture this SP right references. So let me open a new page. Okay, this is related to policy. Now it's related to certification. So I will create new capability using these things. This is what I'll do here, you can check. So these are the SP right. So from where we are going to capture this value. Any idea? So we have these many rights, SP rights. So somewhere it will be present, right from where we have another object called SP right. So using this SP right here, we have 185 SP rights. So it's a combination of the if I'm going to certify all certification, check, authorization, web services, each and everything will be very clear using that SP right. Only if I'm going to assign this SP right into capability and the capabilities as into identity, so they can access the particular thing. So that's what it means. So if you want to delete any identity snapshot, delete identity link, then I have. If you want to delete this identity link, I have to provide this SP right. Then only you will be able to delete anything. So any questions on this? Yeah, Naveen, the accesses that you were showing in the editor page, those are default ones, right? Yeah, these are the default ones. So these are the defaults one. So, using this SP right, you can build some customized capability, and you can assign to the identities based on the requirement. So that's the concept. Is it clear? Yes, so I have captured SP rights from Certification Administrator and Policy Administrator. Okay, now what I'll do. I will create new capability. So let me pick one capability quickly. Go here, click on New. So I have to remove this values first. Okay. Okay, this is SP, right? I have to go to Capability. Okay, let me select this password. Administrator, let me remove this ID value, and you can remove these references, which is the existing one. So what I'll do, I'll replace with these, already have these many SP rights. So this is combination of policy and certification. If I'm going to assign this capability, what will happen? We'll check. Is it clear? So, based on the requirement, I'm going to create this capability. So we have to create the capability name. So what name we can provide? So certification and policy admin, something like that. I have given so display name. Also, it's going to same certification and policy. Admin. The modified each and every value have removed. These are the SP rights. So are we supposed to delete these ID values or not? Quickly, can anyone confirm? Yes, but here it's not required, because this view, role and ID value is going to remain same. It's not going to create any mess, so we have this object already. If you want to remove, it's up to you, but known, in this scenario, nothing will happen. So that's the reason I won't remove this ID value. Okay, I'm getting this error. Why? It's not because of this ID value. Okay, here we have used this ambassador symbol. So in the XML tab ambassador symbol it's not possible to use. If you want to this ambassador symbol, then it's a different way of using. Let me try to save this. Okay, I'm able to save. The new rule which we created is certification policy. Admin. This is the capability we have created, right? So now I will assign this capability to one identity, and after that what will happen? Let's open the same identity, Jamesman. Go to User Rights. Here you are able to see right. Certification Policy Admin, the capability which we created. Certification Policy Admin, click Save. Now log in as James Smith. Okay, now he has kind of full access like application. He has application risk model. He has access to advanced analytics and reports. He has access to roles and policies. Did I select certification only or any other thing? Okay, so whatever capability I'm going to select, whatever SP rights I'm going to select, based on that, user will get access. That's the concept. Okay, so if I'm not going to assign any capability, what will happen? So for one identity, I'm not going to assign any capability. What will happen? Just to home and my works. They will be available. Right default access will be getting like this: home and my work and some quick link access. That's it. So they can submit access requests only for themselves, not for others. So this is how you can create capabilities based on the requirement. I think we have some matrix Excel for that. Okay. So here in this compass, we have a capabilities matrix. Using that, whenever you have a requirement, you can download this Excel sheet. And you will come to know. So here, the first page, we have these mini capabilities. Here you can check if there is a system administrator. These are the capability name, so these are the access. If you want to access the reports, then which capability you have to assign. So if you are a system administrator, then you will be able to access to the report section. Apart from system admin, who all are which capability, have access to these pages?